what you want to do when you grow up?
What do you want to do?
Produce movies and direct.
You want to produce? Oh, okay. Yeah. Peter Jackson, you want to produce movies and direct. You know, we all heard you speaking at the funeral, and everybody was so moved by that. Yes?
What do you want to be?
I'd like to be an actress when I'm older.
Really? Good. Are you going to, like, study it, take it seriously?
Yeah. I sometimes do improvs.
Oh, do you? Where?
Well, I used to do it with my dad.
Mm-hmm. I bet you're good at charades then, right? Yeah, good at charades.
He does it all the time.
Really? What is your favorite memory of your father? Your favorite memory?
When we were on Bahrain, we used to wake up early and walk the beach.
When you were in Bahrain?
Coke.
Yeah?
Yeah, Coca-Cola and Skittles or Snickers.
What is your favorite memory of your father?
One time went on the roof when we were in Las Vegas of our house, and we just saw the Luxor lights. We just saw the city of the lights. We were eating Snickers, and we had some soda. And we just saw the Luxor lights. We were eating Snickers, and we had some soda.
Skittles or Snickers.
We were eating Snickers.
Besides these Snickers.
Like, he was like, I'd say he was the best cook ever.
What could he cook?
He made the best French toast in the world. Well,
Dipped in eggs, right?
Yeah. He just made the best breakfasts in the world.
Mm-hmm. Would he cook for you guys a lot?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Like, he was like, I'd say he was the best cook ever.
What could he cook?
He made the best French toast in the world. Well,
Dipped in eggs, right?
Yeah. He just made the best breakfasts in the world.
Mm-hmm. Would he cook for you guys a lot?
Yeah.
Tell me, do you know what day it is, Evie?
November the 4th.
Not anymore. Remember, remember the 5th of November.
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 Your own father said that artists use lies to tell the truth.
Yes, I created a lie. But because you believed it, you found something true about yourself.
And that's what this is all about.
What kind of dad was he? Was he a strict disciplinarian, or could you get away with anything?
Get away with it.
He could get away with it. Huh? He could get away with it. You couldn't get away with it? No. And
Baby.
so when you were living with your father, did you think that, the rest of the world doesn't know, but did you feel that was sort of was that normal to you?
Yeah, I kind of felt like no one understood what a good father he was.
Mm-hmm.
Like, he was like, I'd say he was the best cook ever. He was just a normal dad, except for he was, I'd say, the best dad ever.
Well, that's...
Yeah, he just made the best breakfasts in the world.
Mm-hmm. Would he cook for you guys a lot?
Yeah.
What do you miss the most?
Everything.
Everything. Everything. Well, thanks for talking to me.
The world never seems as fresh and wonderful, as comforting and terrifying, as good and evil, as it does when seen through the eyes of a child. For a writer to capture that feeling is remarkable.